Hey guys, this is Carrie, and in this video we're going to be making some morbid predictions with an app. So the idea is you want to be able to enter in your current age, and it's going to compute your age in days, and then how many days of life you have remaining. And this is always shocking to me because years seem like they'd be so much longer in days, but I'll let you guys be surprised. So we're going to start by typing in some JavaScript. So we go to our JavaScript tags, and the first thing you need to do is you need to select all the elements on the page you're going to be interacting with, which in this case would be this current age field. So let current age, and I might want to use current age to actually represent their age, your current age. So I'm going to say current age input because that's the type of element it is. Document.querySelector. And you could be using this from the toolbox, but instead we're going to just use it from here. So I'm going to give this input field an ID. So that ID is equal to current age input. So then we'll select that by saying select the thing with ID of current age input. Then let's do, this is also going to need an ID, age in days. And it's a paragraph, so I'll just do age in days para. This one's going to be a days remaining para. And then the button I'm not going to give an ID to. So we're going to be clicking the button, so let's select the button. Let button equal document.querySelector, and we're selecting the only button on the page so we can use its item type instead of its ID because it doesn't have one. We're also going to be adding the age in days to the end of this and adding the days remaining to the end of this, so we'll need to select those as well. Let age in days para equal document.querySelector hashtag age in days para, and then let days remaining para equal document.querySelector hashtag days remaining para. So now we've got all the elements on the page that we're going to be interacting with selected, and it's time to actually start coding in the triggering event. So it looks like what needs to happen is we have to create an event listener. And when the button is clicked, we need to first get the age from this box. So one thing that's an important distinction is if we type in 32 here, then the current age input is not the number 32, it's actually this whole blue box. So to get the value from an input, we go to our toolbox, and for finding the value of an input element, so we use this tool right here. So we say let current age equal current age input dot value. So that will take the actual value from the input field 32. And then let's see, let's age in days is going to be equal to whatever their current age is in years times 365. And then let's take the age in days and let's plug that in here. So age in days paragraph, we want to change the actual text inside of this, so that's called innerHTML. So let's make the innerHTML of this equal to age in days para, in quotes, plus whatever the actual age in days value was from the calculation. So let's give it a save and a refresh. There's 32, and that gives you 11,680. I'm going to leave the days of life remaining part for you to figure out because the average human lifespan, according to the Google search, is 79 years. So I think that that would be a fun extension of what we've done that uses some similar techniques. And you could add this all to the current event listener. So you could put your procedure here to calculate days of life remaining, and then insert it into the proper HTML element. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a little crazy that, at 32 years old, I've only been alive for 11,680 days. And if you put in your age, you might find it even more surprising. See you guys in class.